We will need 2 lemons, cut the lemons into 2 slices. Take the lemon juice. Cut the lemon peels into slices. Take the slices in a saucepan. Add a glass of water. Add cinnamon. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. We need 1 apple, cut the apple into slices. Take the slices in a blender. Now strain the boiled water. Use blending machine to blend it well. Separate the impurities from the mixture. Add 2 spoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 10 days. And you will notice the difference, especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.